Since partnering with Macrium, the most profound impact we have seen is the trust built within the business, where we can confidently tell them that we have backups ready and we can get the line back up and running. So Macrium offers incredible trust and confidence in the product. With Macrium, we know that anytime we have a line down, we have backups ready and we can get it up and running. With others in the past, it was a 50-50 shot whether or not we were going to be able to use a backup and whether it was reliable if there was one. Macrium brings excellent support and training on their products. We don't have to do hours of research and Google searching to figure out how to fix an issue or just to use their product. From the beginning, they were there for us, teaching us how to use the product, and whenever we had questions, they were promptly available. When I think of the number one feature that comes to mind when I think of Macrium, I would think of Remote Restore. Remote Restore offers me the ability to, no matter where I am, whether I'm at home or at the facility itself, I can run a restore to the machine and get it online within minutes. Macrium came to us with an understanding that we were a manufacturing facility. They knew that we struggled with older operating systems and older systems. They were instant in recommending their product, knowing that they could support those operating systems and the backups that they would run on them. I would definitely recommend Macrium to anybody in the manufacturing industry and elsewhere. It offers peace of mind just knowing that you can back up your systems very quickly, and when you do need to use those backups, the restore time is very small.